This video I will explain the difference between UPI and wallet in Google Pay. When you use Google Pay, there are two ways to pay: Google Pay Wallet and UPI. Both are used in digital payments, but they work differently. We will see what it is. What is UPI? UPI stands for Unified Payments Interface. It connects your bank account to your mobile phone. It allows you to send and receive money instantly. Important points about UPI. Money moves directly from your bank account to another person's bank account. You do not need to enter your bank details every time. You use UPI PIN, which is a secret code that keeps your money safe. UPI works 24/7 and across all major Indian banks. No need to add money to separate app balance. Examples of UPI apps are Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, and BHIM. Now we will see what is Google Pay Wallet. A Google Pay wallet is like a small digital wallet inside the app where you can add money in advance and use it later. Important points about Google Pay wallet. You load money into it using a debit card, bank account, or UPI. This money stays in the wallet until you use it. You can use it to pay for things like mobile recharges, movie tickets, or shopping. If your bank is offline, you can still pay using wallet money, similar to Paytm wallet, Amazon Pay wallet, and etc. In India, Google Pay wallet features are limited compared to Paytm wallet. UPI is used more on Google Pay. Now we will see the key differences. Where is the money? In case of UPI, it is in your bank account. In case of Google Pay wallet, stored inside the wallet balance. How it works? In case of UPI, direct bank to bank transfer. In case of Google Pay wallet, use preloaded wallet balance. Request UPI PIN. In case of UPI, it is yes. In case of Google Pay wallet, no. Only wallet balance is used. Daily limit depends on bank. In case of UPI, it is yes. In case of Google Pay wallet, wallet limit applies, usually smaller. Active in all banks. In case of UPI, yes. In case of Google Pay wallet, wallet may not be supported by all. Internet needed. In case of UPI, yes. In case of Google Pay wallet, yes. But wallet does not rely on bank systems. When to use UPI? Sending money to friends or family, paying shopkeepers or online payments directly, sending large amounts instantly, when you don't want to maintain a separate balance. When to use Google Pay wallet? Quick payments for small items like recharges, movies, etc. When you want to limit spending, in case your bank server is down and UPI is not working. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.